5 tips for better presentations with PowerPoint. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to share 5 tips to help you create better presentations using PowerPoint. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Tip number 1, use consistent fonts and colors. Stick to a clean design and avoid mixing too many styles. It keeps your slides professional and easy to read. Tip number 2, keep text minimal. Don't overload slides with paragraphs. Use bullet points and speak the rest during your presentation. Tip number 3, use visuals wisely. Add relevant images, icons, or charts to support your message and make the content more engaging. Tip number 4, apply smooth transitions and animations. Avoid flashy effects. Keep it subtle to maintain a polished and professional look. Tip number 5, practice with presenter view. Use it to see your notes and upcoming slides while your audience sees only the main content. Follow these 5 tips to level up your PowerPoint presentations and leave a lasting impression. That's all for the video.